In this video, we will show you how to add a Google Tag Manager code in Wix. If you guys want to get started with Wix, you can use the links down in the description. With Google Tag Manager, you can implement a tag management system so you can keep your tags and third-party code snippets updated and organized in one convenient location. You can connect your site to Google Tag Manager and marketing integrations to start tracking visitor events on your site. First, you need to get your account ID from your Google Tag Manager account. Now sign into your Google Tag Manager account. Then copy the ID from the accounts page or select your account and copy the ID from your Google Tag Manager dashboard. Next, you need to add your ID from Google Tag Manager account to your Wix account in Marketing Integrations. After that, go to Marketing Integrations on your site's dashboard. Then click Connect under Google Tag Manager and click Add Google Tag Manager. Following that, enter your Google Tag Manager ID and click Save. Wix does not provide support for technical difficulties associated with third-party code snippets. If you are experiencing an issue with your code snippet, contact the provider directly. So that's how to add a Google Tag Manager code in Wix. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.